Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for the best deal that you could get on a single story 4-bedroom, including a next gen suite? Well, behind me, we're gonna be previewing DR Horton's newest community. We're gonna be looking at the plan 2754 and it's under 700,000. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is January 31st, 2025. And we are here at the grand opening of Symmetry Manor. Now, Symmetry Manor, the builder is DR Horton, okay? Now, we're here in Cadence. So Cadence is about 25-30 minutes east of the Las Vegas airport in the Strip. Great for family, has plenty of amenities. The HOA is only $75 a month, but you'll have walking trails, you'll have parks, they have an Olympic-sized swimming pool. But yeah, guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, all ranging between 2,300 square feet all the way up to 2,754. Now they're gonna offer 96 lots here. Most of those, half of those are gonna be the 2,754 plan. They're only gonna build 7 of the 2,300 square feet plan here. But yeah, the prices as of today is they're gonna range from 585, which is the 2,300 square feet plan. You have 635, which is going to be the 2538 plan, and then 690, which is going to be the 2754, which includes a next gen suite. Okay. Now, again, with these prices are subject to change since the community just opened up. What you're looking at is the starting prices, right? By the time, if you're watching this video months later, prices will probably be higher. Okay. Average lot square feet is going to be about 7,000 to 8,000. For the lot square footage. Again, HOA $75 a month, and that's about it. So let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 2754. This is 2754 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1 story, 3-car garage, and the price, out the door price as of today, guys, is $690,000. So far, this community just opened up. There hasn't been they have one available, hasn't been sold. But yeah, the price of $690,000, the prices are only going to go up from there. That is pretty much the starting price. Later, when they release more lots, I'm guessing in a few months, this is going to be past 700. But yeah, we're literally here, the Realtor opening. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is, so this includes a next gen suite. That's one of the 4 bedrooms. So you're gonna have your own entry door right over there. Okay, so next gen suite, it's its own personal unit inside the house. You're gonna have a different entry door. You also have a door that'll connect you to the main house, but you'll have a personal living room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room. The only thing that is really missing is, I feel like a stove, right? A stove and an oven. But besides that, it's perfect for in-laws, or if you have family living with you, or even if you wanted to, rent out a little section of your house to help pay for your mortgage. Well, I feel like the multi-gen would be a good option there. So you have this 8-foot door right here. This video doorbell will be included as well. Okay, so right down. See, as soon as you open it, front door, you have the 9-foot ceilings. Again, you'll see this tile right here, but this will all be vinyl plank. Okay. Now, because the community just opened up, buyers actually can choose their flooring before they, you know, if they want to lock down a lot, choose their flooring. But later on, when the community is busier, I feel like they're just going to pick out the options and the houses will be ready in about like 1 to 2 months. So this is the first bedroom here. Okay, so you got your 2 windows right there. That's your standard closet. Okay, so this is going to be very similar to the 2,500 square feet plan, except that one doesn't have the next gen suite. Okay, so we're going to have your full bath here. Now, so it looks like they have like the white quartz, gray cabinets. So yeah, just so you know, when you move in, or let's say, you know, you get put on interest list for a specific model, you know, the materials, again, they rotate between a few different options for the countertop as well as the cabinets. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. Here's the other bedroom. These bedrooms are, it's a good size. Sure. If you're interested in know the exact measurements, just let me know. I can find that out for you, no problem. Okay, so it's a pretty deep closet here. Okay. So with the floor plan, you're gonna have your dining room, your living room, your kitchen. Okay, this is more of like a formal dining room because you'll have one back there. But here, I'll show you guys this part of the house. So this is gonna be the door to your 3-car garage, which is always locked because they use that for storage. So here's your coat closet. That's the smart panel box. That's gonna be where you connect your internet router and your modem. So you do have your laundry room here. Again, this is a DR Horton line, not the DR Horton Express. So the washer, dryer, refrigerator is not included. Okay, looks like you have your attic access up there. And welcome, this is the next gen suite. So again, perfect if you plan on having relatives live with you. You're giving them their own space because you have this half kitchen, refrigerator, microwave. Okay. And right here, this is their own washer and dryer. Okay, again, nice little living room area. It's gonna be a full bath, 3/4 bath, I should say. Since this is not a shower tub. If this was a shower tub, that'd be a full bath. Okay, here's the bedroom. Okay, so yeah, no walk-in closet, but does have a closet. Here, let me see something here. Okay. So plenty of space. It feels very open. And look, you have all these windows right here. And then you have the slider. So there's going to be a lot of natural light that comes inside the house. Okay. Now also, one thing that is not included, because DR Horton, what you see is what you get, is the accent walls, the curtains, all right, the furniture. Okay, so yeah, most likely the color is just going to be like this. I think it's like a light gray color. That'll pretty much be everywhere. And then you'll also have like the rounded corner edging. Okay. But yeah, really nice sized kitchen here. Okay. Also, I don't think they're going to be doing the backsplash either. There, see these. Okay, soft close cabinets. So yeah, guys, features not included. So, sorry, refrigerator's not included there. Okay, so this is going to be your walk-in pantry. Plenty of space. You have some room up top as well as in the bottom. So right here, it's going to be the door to your backyard. So you do have this covered patio that is included. Also, the pavers underneath it are included as well. Okay. Now, mind you, the backyard is pretty deep on this lot, right? The model homes are on oversized lots. So I know like the next 12 lots that they release, it's going to have about like a 20 feet, maybe like a 20 to 25 feet deep backyard. But yeah, when you move into your house, also too, your backyard is going to be completely dirt. The HOA will give you about a year to landscape it. Okay, so you got your AC units on the side. Okay, cool. So you're gonna have your gate right over there. Yeah, guys, if you're interested in new construction communities, you're thinking about visiting for the very first time, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just give them a call. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit, because you definitely want representation, right? Now, if you go to a new build community by yourself for your first visit, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. And once they have that, they won't allow you to have representation at that point for that community. And you definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, very important to get yourself some representation. Okay. Cool. So nice size walk-in closet here. Okay. So you got your full bath, walk-in shower. Okay, you got your separate tub. The fixtures that you see here, that's going to be what's included. So you have like the brushed nickel. Okay. Good size toilet room. But yeah, guys, that is it for the plan 2754. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, especially about incentives, give me a call, shoot me a text. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.